Whether you like sweet or savory, the Victorio Nut Roaster is the tool for you. It's time to roast some nuts. Spread 2 cups of your choice of nuts evenly on the bottom of the pan. Pour 1/2 cup of Victorio nut glaze evenly over the top of the nuts. Turn the crank handle to mix the nuts and glaze together. It's completely normal for the nuts to slide around at first instead of tumbling. As soon as the glaze starts to thicken, the nuts will begin to tumble. As the glaze continues to thicken, you'll feel more resistance as you're stirring the nuts. When all of the liquid evaporates from the glaze, it will quickly change to that crystal coating we all recognize. Now comes the most difficult part of using the Victorio Nut Roaster, waiting for the nut